Okay, today's Monday, October the 6th. There's quite a bit of action in the quantum computing sector, which I've been talking about for the last few weeks. I will get back to that. And well, let's take a quick peek. Okay, so QUBT is trading at 22 and a quarter, down 236. Regretti is up a buck 60 ish, and IONQ has rallied off the lows, trading at about 78.10, 78.12. We have some action in Bitcoin, which is up above 125,000 a crack today, and Bitfarm, which I've been in and out of, is up 42 cents, trading at 343. Currently, I have a small position left in Bitfarm. The last main thing I did there, when this rally started a few weeks ago, I started to get involved with some verticals, call spreads, bullish call spreads. And then I just ended up going to purchase some naked calls. And what did I do here? Let me see if I can find this. Here we go. So for the SEP 19th expiry, that was 3 weeks ago roughly, I ended up going to the 3 strike in the calls, and I bought 100 of those. I peeled out. As it rallied, I thought there'd be more of an explosion to the upside. It didn't materialize, so I just peeled out of the calls roughly 20 cents higher. And then I got back in with a risk reversal for the OC 17th expiry, and what I did here was much smaller than 100, but I did a 5 lot, and I sold the 2.5 puts, and I bought 3.5 calls for even money. And then when things rallied a bit, I ended up converting this risk reversal into a long call vertical. So I covered the 2.5 puts that I sold, and I ended up selling the 4.5 calls, leaving me with a call vertical, the strikes being 3.5 and 4.5. And this was done for a credit. Note that I was able to close down the risk reversal and modify it, convert it into what I just mentioned, a call vertical for a credit of 23 cents. So on a 5 lot, the worst case scenario, I make 115 bucks. I had a couple of orders in early today, kind of as placeholders and reminders. So I ended up selling 2 of the 5 for a little more than 20 cents. I have 3 left, and I'm probably just going to let these go unless I get an okay price. If the market continues to rally in Bitfarm, and this is my oblique way of playing Bitcoin, I can maybe turn this call vertical into a butterfly by selling the 4.5 and the 5.5 call spread. If I get a decent price, I was working an order earlier today, I sold it for 15 cents. And remember, I have these on for a credit of 23 cents. Or if this continues, Bitfarms continues to rally, then maybe I can get out of the remainder of these spreads for hopefully at least 50 cents. I don't know. We will see. But I did want to keep something on in the meantime. And another trade I have on that's Bitcoin related is I have IBIT, which is not working out right now. I sold a call vertical and bought a put, and I'm down a little bit of money on this trade. But the call spread that I sold was a 72.75. The 6th expiry is OC 17th. And I bought the 65. I bought the 65 put as the other side of the trade. We'll see how this works out. I still have some time for this to happen. So while I have this Bitcoin position that's just a bit against me, I'm going to keep the Bitfarm position, which is more than compensates for this loser on IBIT right now. So if Bitcoin continues to rally, this IBIT position will get worse, but this will continue to improve. So I will keep an eye on it and see how this plays out for now. So we have Bitcoin and quantum computing to keep an eye on. There's action there, and the quantum computing stocks, just for reference, that I'm looking at are, let me show you what I have here. IONQ, QBTS, QUBT, and Regretti. And 3 of the 4 are higher today. IONQ, well, percentage-wise, IONQ and QBTS are at the top of the list. QUBT is the only one of the 4 that is down. I will take a closer look at that one later. Okay, that's it for now. Bitcoin still trading north of 125. It's only 25K. And ETH 4,700. All right, thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time.